Hello, I am Corrine. Thank you for joining me today.
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel. Now, got your trusty little rubber spatula here. Scrape off all that goodness. Get inside, you can scoop that off. Now this is a little loose. As you refrigerate it, it will thicken up. So just keep that in mind. So what I use is a pint-sized jar. Prefer wide mouth over narrow mouth. And one of the advantages to using the measuring cup is it gives you a pour spout. So you just want to pour that in. There you go. And then I have these plastic lids that do have a gasket inside that you can then use to store this in the refrigerator. It'll stay good for about 10 days.
But it doesn't last for 10 days at all.
It does not last 10 days.
Maybe like 2 to 3 sometimes.
So here is our finished hummus. I typically like to have mine with some crackers. These are the Milton's gluten-free crackers. They're really good. Some veggies here. By the way, a quick tip. If you want to prep your cucumbers ahead of time, put them in a jar of water, cover them, and then you have them when you're ready to. This is something, it's simple, it's a quick and easy snack, a little bit of protein. You can also have other veggies with it, or maybe some cheese and salami or something. So enjoy. Hope you have a great evening. Someone's stealing one of my crackers. Gotta pay the camera guy.
Oh my god, so good.
Yep. So thank you so much for joining me. Remember that great food. Now we pulled these out of the microwave. They've got about a minute in there. We're going to want about a teaspoon of salt, give or take. Go light now. You can always add more.
Is there a difference between kosher and iodized?
It depends on what you have and what you personally prefer. I like the kosher because it's more granular. You'll want about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now, you'll notice with this recipe, it's all about your estimates and such. You'll want the juice of 1 lemon. And always, if you roll the lemon, it does, and press down, it does become easier to juice. You can use a strainer if you want, or this one doesn't seem to have any seeds, so it's pretty good. Again, go light on some things if you're not sure. You can always adjust your flavors. So I'm going to stop there. And then you want to add your tahini. I always stir mine because it's a lot like that real natural peanut butter that the oil collects on the bottom. That's what this does. And then you want a couple of tablespoons. Again, it's all about estimates and creating the flavor profile that you like. And yes, it does look a little bit gray. So now, I like to use my hand blender for this. So I've got a tall-sided container, and we'll blend away. Yes, it does spatter sometimes. See how this is thickening up. It's emulsifying. Now you can absolutely do this in a blender, but I'll be honest, The stick blender, the hand blender, is way easier to clean than my big blender. So you know, that's the rationale. But you just keep blending until it becomes the texture that you want. If you like it a little more chunky, you can stop there. If you like it a little thinner, you can add more liquid. If you like it thicker, don't add quite so much in the preparation. So I'm done blending. You can see it's pretty smooth. It's got a little bit of texture still. I'm going to taste it because this is the point where you decide what flavors you want. So here is our finished hummus. I typically like to have mine with some crackers. These are the Milton's gluten-free crackers. They're really good. Some veggies here. By the way, a quick tip. If you want to prep your cucumbers ahead of time, put them in a jar of water, cover them, and then you have them when you're ready to. This is something, it's simple, it's a quick and easy snack, a little bit of protein. You can also have other veggies with it, or maybe some cheese and salami or something. So enjoy. Hope you have a great evening. Someone's stealing one of my crackers. Gotta pay the... Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, saying goodbye to gluten doesn't mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste. Have a wonderful evening.